Hey,
You like music?
who doesn't like music?
You like listening to music?
I mean, most people like listening to music.
Well, for those most people, let's talk about listening to some music.
Let's do that. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin.
And I'm your host, Adron. And if you like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
There's plenty of Good Tech Cheap to share with everyone out there, including what we're going to be talking about today.
Yes,
What's that?
we are talking about the Duolink SwitchBuds True Wireless Earbuds.
Ah, yes. These are special earbuds with targeted music control. They have 25 hours of playback time, and for those people out there who love a deep bass, a 10mm diaphragm dynamic drive bass.
What I am also saying is that it has wireless music control. Yes, these Duolink SwitchBuds have a patented rotational control technology. Rotate the ring of the earbud, change the song and the volume with greater precision than touch control. That's right, get out of here, touch control. Rotation is the new rotating movement in town.
Well, oh, but just so you know, you can still tap to play and pause your music because that's a good feature there, but rotational control, hey, something new.
Yes, it is complete control of your music, whether it's your mobile phone, tablet, or PC, even if they're far away.
Far away?
Far away.
That's a long way away. Well, how do they do that? Well, Duolink incorporates the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Plus, if you have an Android phone, you might be able to use something brand new that's also called Fast Connect.
Ooh, I do enjoy fast connecting. It also has a 10mm Pew composite titanium plated frame. Titanium, baby! The bass performance is strong, it's powerful, the dynamic range is large, the middle and high frequencies are bright and clear. Not only that, low, medium, high, they can all be controlled.
We both checked them out, and the dynamic range that you hear is most excellent.
Yes.
Give it that rating, the most excellent rating. You have to look like this. Yes, most excellent. And if you want technology to help with your phone calls, there is built-in noise reduction technology in the microphone in your earbuds.
That is amazing. I love having clear calls. I hate it when it sounds like static. These earbuds can last up to 7 hours on a single charge. The case can last up to 25 hours on a single charge. And the whole thing takes only 1.5 hours to charge.
Quick charging technology, a great feature that they incorporate. And they're engineered very well. You can wear them for a long time thanks to their shallow in-ear design. They rest very comfortably, and there are adaptable additions that you get to put in if you have different ear sizes. If you want to get that custom fit, probably won't need it because they just fit.
Yes, they fit quite well and are useful in the house, in the office, on the go, wherever you go. They'll be useful to you.
Exactly.
Yes, and they also come in navy blue or black.
Yeah, you got your choice of colors right there, and let's not forget one final thing. Your IPx waterproof rating is a 5, and that's on the higher end of the scale, so you shouldn't worry about getting your earbuds splashed or wet out in the rain, or if you're working out, all that good stuff.
I do love me a good waterproofing.
And what does Duolink sell these SwitchBud True Wireless Earbuds for?
Only $59. Yes, that's right, $59. And if you click on the link in the description below, they have available discounts.
That's right. You might find a coupon or a percentage off. It's always good to do that. We're into that sort of thing, Well, you know what? We've talked about it. Let's just do a quick little demo so everyone can see how easily the earbuds pair and how well they fit. Shall we?
Let's jump in.
That means we're going this way.
Head first.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see, is a really simple case to carry around. Super lightweight, super portable. The earbuds stay in here. You just push them right out. And as you can see, they're already charged because we've been charging them. Let's check which earbud is good. Let's put them in, shall we? this one goes in here. Alright. Alright. So they fit super easy. Let's see how fast they connect. And they're connected. Super easy, super simple. And I'm just gonna play some music right now. Wow. Super clear. The bass is really nice. Yeah. These are just great earbuds. Not much else to say. Alright, let's turn up the volume a bit. Yeah. Turns it up. Turns it down. Lets me pause too.
Alright, so there you have it. We'd like to thank Duolink for sending us the SwitchBuds.
Thank you so much, Duolink. Please click on the link in the description below to buy these earbuds and potential discounts.
Yes, discounts. Always a good thing that you will see here exclusively on Good Tech Cheap.
And if you like Good Tech Cheap and you like what you saw here, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and please click on the notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video.
We always like it when people do that, so please do that. I think that just about wraps it up for today. From Los Angeles, California, I'm Kevin.
I'm Adron.
Be kind.
Stay safe.
We'll see everyone next time.
Bye-bye.